Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to fix a lag in Roblox Mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Now, if you're in the Roblox Mobile app and you're playing a game, but it is lagging or slow, I'm going to walk you through steps. First, let's head into the Roblox app here. And the first step, or the first option, is to head into a game. So let's just tap on any game here and then hit play. Now, once you're in the game, you'll be able to see at the top left is that little Roblox icon. I can tap on it here, and from here you can see next to people is settings. So tap on settings and we'll need to adjust the settings on here. So let's scroll down and you can see graphics mode. I'm going to switch it from automatic. Tap on it to manual. Now if I bump down the graphics quality, essentially what this will do is it will help the lag because the graphics quality will decrease, and it will be more optimal or more in tune with whatever processor or graphics card that you have on your phone. So just bump this down until you don't see a lag. The next couple of things that we will do are outside of the Roblox app. So the first thing I would recommend doing outside of the app is swiping up and to the right. And if there are any other apps open, say for instance, you have Instagram open or Facebook and a bunch of other apps, just swipe up and to the right and close out of every single other app that is not Roblox. Essentially, those can use up your memory and slow down other apps, including playing games on Roblox. Now, the last thing I would recommend doing is making sure that you have battery settings set so it doesn't reduce the quality and lag. So let's head into your settings. And from here, search for battery and go into battery settings. You'll be able to see battery percentage here though. But if you have power saving mode turned on, or if you just have less than 20% battery, then potentially the low power mode or your battery being really low is causing that lag. So make sure you toggle off low power mode. But in addition to doing so, you might want to plug in your phone and charge it so that you make sure it's above 20%. Again, if it's below 20%, it can cause a number of different degraded features or functionality that caused lagging on your phone and on playing Roblox games. So that's basically how you can fix a lag in Roblox Mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.